Welcome to Ratchet Tarot, where I give you the best, worst advice. Nine of Pentacles reversed. Some may say that you're a workaholic, but I'm here to tell you that you're a winner. Only losers have time for friends and family. Four of Swords, reverse. Do you feel like you need a break? Do you feel like you need a vacation? Do you feel exhausted and drained of your energy? Do you feel like you can't go on? Well, I'm here to tell you that you need to stop thinking like that, as pain is only weakness leaving the body. Are you tired of the same relationships that are based on mutual respect and admiration and unconditional love? Well, guess what? This weekend, you have the opportunity to get yourself with an ultimate boss bitch, a ultimate tóxica and tóxico. Remember, like I said before, love is a battlefield, so have some fun. Thanks for watching. Remember, stay safe and stay ratchet.